What if you could tap into an almost limitless pool of computer power, anytime, anywhere, without ever buying a single machine? That's the game-changing magic of cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet. Think servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and more, all accessible on demand. Instead of running programs or storing files on your personal computer or a local server, you can access powerful resources hosted in giant data centers around the globe. This shift isn't just about convenience. It's a revolution in flexibility and scalability. Businesses and individuals can instantly scale up to meet demand or scale down to save costs, paying only for what they use. It means faster innovation and better collaboration, as teams can access tools and data from virtually anywhere, even on a mobile device. Security and reliability are fundamental to cloud computing. Leading providers invest heavily in safeguarding your data, often offering better protection than a typical local network could. And with data stored across multiple locations, downtime and data loss are dramatically reduced. So, whether you're streaming music, saving files online, or running a global business, cloud computing is the invisible engine making it all possible. It's not just the future, it's powering our digital world today.